This here is a bracket for a recovery board or traction board mount for your pickup truck. So this one here I got fits for the Toyota Tacoma or Tundra, but this is very nice. It's made out of steel. It's powder coated, so it's got a nice coating on it. It's two different pieces that's bolted together. You can mount it this way for recovery boards. It could actually also be used for a bike mount inside the bed of the truck. And all you do is you just take this piece here and you kind of flip it 90 degrees and you're able to use it to mount a bicycle on top of it. But I'm going to be using it for the recovery boards. It's got this molly panel design to it, so there's a lot of different holes for putting different bolts or straps, things of that nature. Also has these bent arms on the inside here as well. I'm going to show you what this looks like and how you mount it inside your truck. Let's take a look. All right, when you're going to be installing this using your rail here, it comes with this piece that looks like a little T here. It's going to fit right inside this rail, and it comes with this turning knob that you simply screw right into it. So in essence, this works. This goes through here. It'll screw right into this piece like so, holding it right into your rail. All right, this is what it looks like installed in the back of my truck here. And this is what it looks like with the recovery boards attached to it. Just use a couple of straps, put it through one of the many slots that are available on this. Now it's going to keep them very secure in place. So if you're looking for a way to attach your traction boards or recovery boards in the back of your pickup truck, these brackets will do the job very well.